Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's October 2nd, 2024, and we're diving deep into today's market action. We're going to break down the key trends, the standout movements, and what you can expect heading into tomorrow. Whether you're a stock market investor or into Forex, this update will keep you informed and ahead of the game. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the stock market. Today was a roller coaster ride for the major indices. The S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq all saw some significant swings as investors reacted to a mix of economic data and corporate news. The S&P 500 ended the day slightly down, losing about 0.6%. Why? Well, the tech sector took a hit after the Fed hinted at a possible rate hike sooner than expected. Big players like Apple and Tesla led the decline. On the flip side, the Dow managed to hold steady thanks to strong performances in energy stocks, buoyed by rising oil prices. Energy companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron saw gains as crude prices hit their highest levels since July. But let's not forget about the Nasdaq, down 1.2%. This drop is largely driven by concerns about future growth, especially in the tech sector, which has been feeling the pressure from potential interest rate increases. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Forex. Today, we saw some interesting moves in the currency market, primarily driven by geopolitical tensions and economic data releases. The US dollar continued its recent upward trend, strengthening against most major currencies. The euro to US dollar pair saw a dip, closing at around 1.0450, as concerns about the European economy weighed on the euro. Traders are eyeing the upcoming ECB meeting, where any hints about future policy changes could shake things up. Meanwhile, the pound sterling to US dollar pair also slid, dropping below 1.2150. This comes as uncertainty around the Bank of England's next move lingers, especially with inflation numbers remaining stubbornly high in the UK. One currency that stood out today was the Japanese yen. The US dollar to Japanese yen pair surged, crossing 150 for the first time in months, sparking chatter about potential intervention from the Bank of Japan. So, what's driving these moves? Let's break it down. Interest rate speculation. The Federal Reserve is back in focus. Minutes from the latest meeting suggest that they're still concerned about inflation. While there's no clear decision yet, traders are starting to price in the possibility of another rate hike before the end of the year. Energy prices. Crude oil is on the rise again, hitting nearly $100 per barrel. That's great news for energy stocks, but could spell trouble for inflationary pressures, both in the US and globally. Geopolitical tensions. The ongoing tensions between the US and China, along with rising concerns in the Middle East, are causing uncertainty in both the stock and Forex markets. Traders are keeping a close eye on developments in these regions. Now, let's look ahead to tomorrow. What's on the horizon that could impact the markets? US jobs report. Tomorrow's non-farm payroll data is going to be a big one. Investors are hoping for signs that the labor market is cooling down, which could ease inflationary pressures and sway the Fed's decision on interest rates. ECB meeting. The European Central Bank is holding a policy meeting, and any hints about future rate cuts or hikes will definitely move the euro and impact European stocks. Earnings reports. We've got earnings coming in from key companies across sectors, including tech and healthcare. Keep an eye on these because any surprises could lead to sharp market reactions. That's a wrap for today's stock market and Forex update. We've covered the biggest moves, key drivers, and what to watch for tomorrow. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth market analysis. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on where the markets are headed next. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.